cryptocurrency investing, you got to diversify your investments. It's hot, it's trending, and I don't see it going anywhere at this point. For those that are on the fence about getting into cryptocurrency investing or just rookies or whatnot, what are some mistakes to avoid when investing in crypto?
Crypto is like cash. If you invest in something in cash, you want to make sure you buy the right thing.
Right.
So one of the number one big mistakes is people send their currency or cryptocurrency to the wrong wallet address. And if you do that, poof, it's gone. There's no way to get it back. I mean, that's a big no-no. Triple check the addresses. You don't want to send a big wad of $100 bills to your friend and then get the wrong mailing address. You're never going to see it again.
You might end up in Mexico.
So, I mean, it's super important to make sure you get the right address. That's number one mistake that I've ever seen in anybody.
Okay.
But other than that, I mean, just pick a good exchange. Don't lock yourself out of your own account. A lot of accounts have two-step verification. Don't put that on and then lose all your information. Then, they can't verify it's you. So you basically don't have access to it anymore. Another thing is, if you're going to go off on not a major exchange, you need to know how to send money between your wallets. And if you're going to send money from Ethereum address, don't send Ethereum money to a Bitcoin address.
Okay.
It won't translate, and your money will get stuck in an Ether loop.
Okay.
Ethereum has to stick with Ethereum. Bitcoin has to stick with Bitcoin. If you exchange on a big address, you won't really have those problems. If you do Coinbase or something like that, they won't let you send it to the wrong address.
Fair enough. All right. Well, appreciate you for coming. Appreciate you for coming in. Thanks again for your time.
No problem.
And thanks again, you guys, for watching. This is your first time here. You know what to do. Until next time.